Writing Task 1, IELTS Academic Writing Task 1, requires you to write 150 words about data, in the form of a bar chart, line graph, pie chart or table, a process or map. This is a skill many students have not practiced before and don't do so well as a result. The key to doing well in writing Task 1 is knowing how your essay is marked, and then using this information to give the examiner exactly what they want. IELTS scores. Band 9. IELTS describes people who get Band 9 as expert users. This means that you have complete command of the language and you use it with complete accuracy and fluency. Very few people ever get to this level, and, in fact, most learners do not need to get to this level. Band 8. If you get a Band 8, IELTS considers you a very good user of English. You may make a few mistakes when talking or writing about very unfamiliar situations, but overall, you have a very good grasp of the language. If you are Band 8, you would have no problems living and working in an English-speaking country. Band 7. These students are good users. Most people who get Band 7 can cope with complex situations in English. If you are a Band 7 student, you will make occasional mistakes, but you will be able to perform most everyday tasks without too many problems. I believe this is the minimum level a person should be at if they want to study or work in an English-speaking country. Band 6, IELTS describes these students as competent. Notice that the ones above it are described positively, i.e., good, and very good, but this one is described in more neutral language. If you are Band 6, you can talk and write about familiar situations, such as your family or job, but you struggle to deal with more complex or unfamiliar topics. Writing scores. Writing is judged using 4 criteria. The examiner will give you a score between 0 to 9 for each of the criteria and then give you an average overall score. For example, if you got 6, 7, 8, 6, your overall score would be 6.75 and this would be rounded up to 7. There are 4 testing criteria in the assessment: task achievement or task response, coherence and cohesion, grammar, lexical resource. Each of these makes up 25% of the overall marks in the IELTS writing test. Task achievement is simply answering all parts of the question properly. You cannot imagine most of the students fail in this section. They tend to give partial responses rather than answering fully. For example, look at this question below. Some people say that history is one of the most important subjects. Other people think that, in today's world, subjects like science and technology are more important than history. Discuss both these views and give your own opinion. Look, you are asked to cover 3 areas. 1. Discuss one view. 2. Discuss the other view. 3. Give your opinion. If your answer covers all these three parts properly, you are fulfilling the criterion, task achievement. That means, if you have given an unequal discussion, in other words, if you have discussed one view more than that of the other view, or if you have discussed both views equally but have not given your clear opinion, you will lose marks. So the idea is, you have to answer all the three parts to get the maximum score in this section.